Attorney General's office based on evidence that he engaged in and was charged with sodomy by use of force and falsely imprisoned a female district attorney at gunpoint. And we have a brief testimony from the WAPA president, Richmond, Contra, Costa, Black Women Organized for Political Action president, Kathleen Sullivan.
Okay. Thank you so much. It's interesting hearing all the other counts because all of them I deeply have been connected with over the years and know a lot more about them than this particular case that I was asked to testify about. So I got to get engaged in reading about a case that many of you may be very familiar with, but I can tell you honestly I wasn't, and I was appalled. I'm going to read you the timeline around this case. And again, this is a case about a attorney, Mike Gressett, who was charged with some sex crime as a prosecutor. So let me read you the timelines of this case. May 8th, 2008, Contra Costa sex crimes prosecutor Mike Gressett and a junior colleague identified as Jane Doe met in his Martinez apartment during a lunch break. She says Gressett raped and brutalized her with an ice pick, ice cubes, and at gunpoint. What? Gressett says the encounter was rough but consensual. 2008 May, Doe and her attorney informed the high-ranking manager in the district attorney's office of the alleged rape. 4 months passed before the allegations were brought to the Martinez police. July 2009, state prosecutors filed felony charges against Gressett for alleged rape and sodomy of Doe. July 2009, Contra Costa fires Gressett from his job as a prosecutor, where he had worked for 21 years. Damn. 2009, a criminal grand jury indicted Gressett with 13 counts of rape, sodomy, days after the county awarded Doe $450,000 civil settlement. August 6th, another woman recants her story that Gressett twice paid her for sex acts in exchange for help freeing her boyfriend, who took a plea deal and subsequently was arrested in connection with a violent home invasion crime. Newly elected District Attorney Mark Peterson removes his staff from involvement in the investigation of Gressett, calling it a conflict of interest. I'm almost there. 2011, independent arbitrator orders Contra Costa to reinstate Gressett and back pay, calling the rape accusation unsupported. The Contra Costa County judge dismissed the 13-count rape indictment against Gressett, saying that this was the issue. The prosecution had failed to disclose to the grand jury that they had paid the $450,000 settlement to Doe. That's what the conflict was as to why the charges were dropped. Not that the charges weren't substantiated, but it was a technicality. So, State Attorney General Office confirms it will not refile criminal charges. The prosecutor, Contra Costa County, has now rehired, Mark Peterson has rehired this gentleman to work right here in this office. And what is he doing, Pam?
He's doing parole hearings where he was totally represented.
It could involve victims of sex crimes. So, my testimony is this. While it is that the justice system is obviously has failed itself in this process, it has failed itself even further by insult to this community, by rehire of this man to work right here in Contra Costa County, right. When it is that reason I read specifically the accounts of what happened, it's clear that he was convicted but let go based on a technicality. And so that alone, him being then somebody that should represent us in Contra Costa County, should be obviously an issue, but it wasn't to Mark Peterson. Mark Peterson thought that it was still okay for him to bring this man back and for him to oversee cases in this county. So for me, that makes it such that Mark Peterson is unqualified and needs to go.